system, you know. Mastered the system, for sure. Mastered the system, we done mastered the system, you know. Mastered the system, for sure. Mastered the system, we go. Mastered the system. I was birthed in this earth as a natural living being, then placed in the oath by my own sovereignty. Sui juris is my nature, natively a fact. This is something God-given, ain't no way you taking that. Soon as my eyes open, I was born to be king, but then you stole my birthright and started claiming everything. Now the judge, all he see is a fictitious entity with a name in all caps, but a face that look like me. And since 1933, we've been blind to UCC, commercial code for corporations. We've been humanly deceived, a straw man, granting purpose to steal taxes in my name, acting as his third party, just so tacitly you gaining everything. Then went commercial, just stating the facts. The courts and commerce dealing cases, selling human contracts. We the people, the republic for this nation, which is stand solemnly. We stating truth, it's only facting when we saying we done mastered the system, you know. Mastered the system, mastered the system, we gon' master the system. We done mastered the system, you know. Mastered the system, for sure. Mastered the system, we gon' master.